So, you guys know what I'm talking about if I was uploading a video like 1 second ago or 1 minute ago, I don't know, in YouTube because I got the mukbang game, like I glitch under the map in the sand, but not actually in the platform. That's scary. I know how to get in the sand, like absolutely. So you guys know where you guys were going. So I'm going to the secret that Cash did, yeah, on Nico. And Cash, if you're watching this, don't mind, I'm gonna copy yours. So come here. Ow! Yeah, like this. You can jump down or go in the edge later. And you can strawberry, Dubai, chilies, matcha, Dubai. So you need to go in here. If you want to go down, just go down. If you don't want to go down, go here. And jump down here. And there's 2 trees is out the map. 1, 2. I don't know why that tree is out and this, like, that is red, I think, or orange. That is pink. Okay, don't mind this. It's just for the beginning. I create a new account and voila. So this is where did I come from, but there's a barrier. So actually I don't actually come here like a cat or something, because I actually become a cat and I came inside of the absolute jungle, and I tried to get out, but it won't happen. Yes, it's real. There's a barrier too. It's all. And I wanna show you something that is mine. Look at that in the bottom. So you can see it. I think there's something saying it. I don't know what is saying it. Can you guys screenshot it? Oh, that's the loading. That's the loading, I think. Oh yeah, it's the loading screen. It's the loading screen. I thought that was something. Oh, whoa. And you guys don't wonder, I found another secret. Found from YouTube. And don't mind this, ha? I'm gonna gayahin muna ako, or I'm gonna copy you. Kasi nga, Tagalog ako eh. Yes. Yes! Mamma mia. At look at this. Bakit yung grass na dito? Baka yung grass dapat na. Ito sa baba ng map, may makikita ka. Ayan. Tsaka yung tumingin ka sa taas. Hindi mo makikita yung taas. At saka, pupunta muna ako. Doon. Ay, wag na lang. See you in the next video. I want... Tsaka next thing, pupunta ka sa beach. Pupunta kayo sa sand. Kaso yung may nakita kayo, kung may nakita kayo black, ibig sabihin good ka na. Nasa good na kayo. At saka walang creature pala dito. Yung pagbaba mo lang, wala si Rig. Wala siya. Tsaka si Cash, tinatry niya tayo i-troll, ibig sabihin may alt account siya. Alam ko may alt account siya eh. Si Cash. Ano siya? Tsaka ito yung...
Hello, please follow the signs to claim your own room.
Ayan yan ah.
Hello, please follow the signs to claim your own room.
Dati pumunta ako, 1 minute ago pumunta ako dito. Tsaka kinuha na. Ibig sabihin dito na lang ako kaso hindi ko bibilihin kasi nga Tsaka isa. Nakalimutan niyo may secret pala dito. Yung parang 4, ayan no. May tao nandyan. Tsaka sinabi, mukbang corner. Nahulog tuloy ako. So, punta kayo sa ladder. At may makikita kayo na parang take any seat, use the table tablet to order. Place the food on the table. Enjoy. Andito ba yung bundok? Tsaka parang may isa pa nga ako. Yung parang papunta ka dito. May doon. Dito ba? Hindi. 3, ay, dyan. Yan o. 3 boot. Tsaka dyan yung hotel. Tsaka dito yung maganda. Tsaka may isa pa dito. Owner. Ganyan. Tsaka ano pa ba dito? Going aquarium. May ano pa. May maganda. Yung parang si Teki yung pumunta siya dito. Daka si Emma parang nag-a-act siya. Wow, pumunta ulit ako dito. Aglalag ako. Ito na yung lahat tata. Bye bye.